20 years, deep sea industrial zones have been offering prime industrial land in the north of Vietnam. Strategically located in the South China Sea and along the major east-west shipping routes, Vietnam connects investors and exporters to the region and to the rest of the world. With steady economic growth, stable policies, highly attractive tax incentives, and its large low-cost skilled labour force, Vietnam has received a lot of attention as one of the most attractive investment locations in Southeast Asia. A member of WTO, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, and with the upcoming trade agreements with Europe and the United States, Vietnam is increasing its international relations, which will see investments in the country rising steadily. In recent years, the majority of investments take place in the north of Vietnam, attracted by the vast investments in infrastructure in Haiphong. Cornerstone of the new developments in the north is the construction of the first deep-water port at Lac Huyen in Haiphong, which will offer investors and exporters cost-efficient connection to the rest of the world. With a total length of more than 15 kilometers of quays and a draft of -14 meters, the port is a game-changer compared to the current port of Haiphong, which is limited to only 7 meters draft. The new Cat Bai International Airport gives Haiphong direct air connection for the largest cargo and passenger planes, allowing a fast time to market for various industries. A new expressway will connect the new industrial developments of Haiphong to Hanoi, with Vietnam's capital and second largest city now less than 1 hour away. Directly connected to the deep-water port of Haiphong via a new bridge, the Deep Sea Industrial Zone cluster, covering more than 2,000 hectares of prime industrial land, is strategically located in the center of the infrastructure developments, offering its investors direct, cost-effective transport links worldwide. Established in 1994, the Dai Vu Industrial Zone, with the adjacent international port, was the first project within the Deep Sea Cluster and has evolved into one of the largest and most successful industrial zones in Vietnam. The industrial cluster is managed and developed by InfraAsia Investment, a global industrial zone developer with more than 15 years of experience in Vietnam, who is working in close collaboration with the local governments in North Vietnam. In this way, investors are offered a stable and efficient investment climate with the full support of the local government while developing your business. Tenants in the deep sea industrial zones are offered fully serviced prime industrial plots of land in flexible parcels depending on the client's requirements. Ready-built workshops and warehouses in units of 5,400 meters squared with reinforced concrete floors and steel structures are available for small and medium enterprises, allowing a quick entry into the market. Reliable utility services of the highest quality are provided, meeting industry standards. Power is sourced from the national and regional grids and distributed to each one of our clients through a reliable underground system. Water is distributed throughout the industrial zone via an underground piping system, and a state-of-the-art and ISO-certified wastewater treatment plant is available to handle your processed water. Additional services, including the production of steam, demineralized water, and on-site pre-treatment of wastewater, are available on demand. Investors in the Deep Sea Industrial Cluster are entitled to the best tax incentive package in Vietnam, applied only to the economic zones. The investor is granted a combined total of 15 years of corporate income tax exemption and reduction, 50% reduction on personal income tax for the lifetime of the project, and much more. More than 55 companies with a total investment capital of $3 billion have already seized the opportunity and are producing successfully in the Deep Sea Industrial Zone cluster. A variety of industries can be accommodated in the Deep Sea Industrial Cluster. For example, textile production and manufacturing, automotive and auto part industry, chemical, petrochemical and pharmaceutical industry, food and food processing, household apparel and white goods, heavy and light industry, warehouse and logistics, Come and grow with us at Deep Sea Dinh Vu Industrial Zone, your investment location in North Vietnam.